Remove LED panel from wooden case package. Confirm the hole positions of individual panels. Mark them before installation. Place the panel on a soft sponge pad or tabletop to avoid damaging the panel and causing the light beads to fall. Tighten the screws at the four corners. Connect the two LED panels and lock it. Install the screen in the reserved position. Fix the LED panel to the bracket using a connecting piece. Connect RPC as the orange power cord to each panel. Plug in main power cable. Network cable connecting with no media box. Find the model number on the media box. Check the Wi-Fi and connect it. Open the LED software we provide. Engineer will assist in debugging this step. Connecting.